Calibrae has some great tools for blending live class instructor-led sessions into a course. Now, courses with lots of regular activities could be supplemented with a live class, or an entire course could be built around a live class, perhaps supported with online content, preparatory activities, resources to use during the live class, and perhaps follow-up activities or access to course materials as an ongoing value-added reference. Now, live classes can be in physical locations or in virtual meeting rooms. And as we'll see, Calibrae provides all the logistical tools for managing the sessions. That's scheduling, location details, who's teaching, instructor notes, instructor resources, who attend, and so forth. Now, for this demo, I'm going to build a new starter induction course, the main focus of which is a one-day live class workshop supplemented with additional learning activities and resources. Okay, I've just created the course, given it a nice welcome message with a reminder to me as a new employee to book a place on a live class session. I've not actually added the class yet, and I've built a module with preparatory activities, a message from the CEO, an article about the company, our mission statement, and another resources module in which I've already included some HR type reference docs about pay, holidays, and so forth. Now, what we haven't added yet is a live class, so let's do that now. I'll quickly create a new module, and more importantly, inside it, I'll create a new activity of type live class with its title and a description, and I'll set a duration of 1 day. Note how I've not yet set any dates. If we need it, we've got the option to limit the number of times a learner can attend this live class. Quite useful when we're selling the courses. I'll leave mine at 1 booking. That done, the next task is to add some details about what will happen in the session. Okay, I've added some general information about the class, its objectives, what to bring, lunch details, and so forth. That done, what I need to do now is schedule some session events. I'll add one for tomorrow at 9 o'clock. We'll keep it as 1 day with Dave as the instructor and a maximum class size of, let's say, 12. Now, I'm going to choose to make this session a live class as opposed to a webinar, and I'll have it in room 6, where the key code for the room is, let's say, 1234. Okay, great. And straight away, I'll create another session, this one for next week, the same time, but it'll be presented by Jane, and I'll make this one a webinar. Now, Calibrae supports pretty much any web conferencing tool, Skype, WebEx, Google Meet, and so on. But we've got some nice integrations with Zoom, so I'll quickly grab and paste my Zoom meeting code, and I can set an access code for the room if I need to. Okay, that's great. 2 events scheduled, and I can add as many events as I like. Maybe 1 a week, 1 a month, 1 every 6 months, or whatever we like. Now, coming to the course as a learner, I see there's an induction workshop that I need to reserve a place on. I can read all about it and then choose which session I want to attend. That one works for me. Great, all booked, and I get automated notifications and reminders. Let's imagine I'm a manager and I've got a new team and I want everyone to attend this workshop together. Well, I just pop back to the live class and this time reserve places for everyone in the team. Nice. From a logistics perspective, well, any of us instructors can view the live classes, see who's due to attend, perhaps export an attendance sheet, maybe send everyone an email about maybe a last-minute room change or something. And for remote sessions, we can just click the button to join the meeting. From the learner perspective, well, at the appointed time, for a live class, I'd turn up at the location. And for a webinar, I either use the link in my email or come into the activity, hit the link from where I'm taken to my virtual meeting room. Either way, we come together for some real-time instruction and discussion with a real live instructor. Okay, well, that's a quick overview of Calibrae's approach to blended learning, tools to organize the logistics of a live session, plus the ability to provide additional pre- and post-session learning activities and resources.